Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to uninstall Google Maps on Android so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone, find the settings icon, and tap on it to open the menu. This is where you can control most of your phone's features. Step 2. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the option called Apps. Then tap on it. This section lets you view and manage all installed applications on your device. Step 3. Now look for the search icon or bar at the top of the Apps page, tap on it, and type in Maps. This helps you quickly locate the Google Maps app without scrolling. Step 4. From the search results, find Google Maps and tap on it to open its app info page. This is where you can control how the app behaves or remove it from your device. Step 5. On this page, if you see the Uninstall button, go ahead and tap it. A confirmation will pop up, so tap again to uninstall the app completely. But what if you don't see an uninstall button? Don't panic. Some Android phones don't allow you to uninstall Google Maps completely because it's a system app. Step 6. In that case, scroll down the app info page a little, and you'll see a button labeled Disable. This is your next best option. Tap on Disable, and the phone will warn you that this will turn off the app and remove it from your app drawer and home screen. Confirm again by tapping Disable App. And that's it. Google Maps is now either uninstalled or fully disabled on your Android phone. It won't appear on your home screen, won't run in the background, and won't use any more data. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.